Unraveling the mystery. What does mince words really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, mince words. This phrase is common in both casual and formal English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression. The phrase, mince words, is a figurative expression. It means to speak in an indirect or gentle way to avoid offending or upsetting someone. When someone does not mince words, it implies they are being very direct, honest, and straightforward, sometimes to the point of being blunt or harsh. Examples in sentences: I won't mince words, your work has not been satisfactory. She never minces words when it comes to giving feedback, so be prepared for honesty. Understanding where a phrase comes from can often help us remember it better. The phrase, mince words, originated from the idea of mincing meat, which means to cut it into small pieces. Just like mincing meat makes it less recognizable, mincing words means to soften or reduce the impact of one's speech. In professional settings, in a business meeting, let me not mince words. This strategy is not working for us. During feedback sessions, as a manager, I prefer not to mince words so that my team knows exactly where they stand. In personal conversations, with friends or family, I appreciate that you don't mince words and tell me things as they are. During difficult conversations, this is a serious matter, and I cannot afford to mince words here. There are variations that carry a similar meaning. Speak plainly, not sugarcoat. Be straightforward. However, each variation has its own nuance, so understanding the context in which they are used is crucial. Thank you for watching. Today, we explored the phrase, mince words, an expression that is both simple yet profound in its usage. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of the nuances in English communication. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use mince words in your conversations where appropriate. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.